Angie. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great and staying healthy. And for today's video, you guys, I want to share a really fast, quick, but delicious. Hey guys, it's Angie. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for stopping by. I hope you guys are doing great and staying safe. For today's video, I want to share with you guys a really fast and easy enchilada recipe, you guys. I love enchiladas, you guys. I can have them all the time. I can have green ones, red ones, chicken, mole enchiladas, seafood enchiladas, enchiladas suizas, you name them, I can have them. However, they do take a while to make, and sometimes they're a little messy, and the cleanup, well, can take forever. But I do like making these enchiladas that are with cheese, and it's just queso fresco with a little bit of onion mixed into it, and of course a really quick and easy red sauce that we dip the tortilla in. It's just super easy and super yummy. So I hope you guys stick around and watch this recipe, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So here are the ingredients that we're gonna need for our cheese enchiladas, and they're just very simple, basic, like 5 easy ingredients. You're gonna need corn tortillas, some onion, queso fresco, sour cream, and some chile California. So the sour cream, you guys, is just gonna be to add to the top of the enchiladas. But yep, this is all we're gonna need. So easy recipe here. All right, guys. So here I have 10 of the California peppers in water. I'm gonna let them come up to a boil. Once they have boiled and cooked, I'm going to go ahead and let them cool down. And once they're cooled down, we're going to go ahead and blend them to make our red salsa. That's going to be for the enchiladas. So while our chiles are cooling down, you guys, I just turned off the pot. They have cooked and boiled and cooked, but I'm waiting for them to cool down. I'm going to get started on my prepping the cheese. So basically, we're just going to crumble it, you guys. We're going to crumble it, put it in a container, and we're going to chop the onion, and we're gonna mix it in with the cheese. You guys don't have to add the onion if you don't want to. It's up to you guys, but I really like the little spiciness that it gives. Like, you know, the onion taste is really good with this cheese. So just gonna go ahead, actually let's do the cheese first. Cut this open. Well, 10 years later. Okay, so crumble the cheese. Can you guys hear that? I think one of my neighbors is doing some type of remodeling or something, or I don't know. But now we're just also gonna cut this. Right? We're gonna get a spoon and we're gonna mix it. That's a big piece of cheese. Alright, so our cheese is ready to fill our enchiladas whenever we are ready to make them. Alright guys, so I put the chiles in the blender. I put all 10 of them, and I added some of the broth that from the water where the chiles were cooking. I added about 3/4 of a cup of the water, and I have not thrown it away yet, because if it comes out too thick, the sauce, I'm going to want to dilute it, so I want to use that same water where the chiles cooked in. So I'm going to go ahead now and add some salt. and we're gonna blend it. And it's really easy to make enchiladas, you guys. Super easy. That's actually really good. So we're gonna go ahead and keep that sauce. We're gonna go ahead and strain it, you guys. Take all the little seeds out from the that and the chiles. And then we're gonna get ready to cook our enchiladas. Alright guys, so this is basically what's left after you strain it and taking the seeds out, and the sauce is down here. Alright guys, let's get ready to make some enchiladas. Alright guys, so my skillet has been heating up. I have my sauce and I have my plate where I'm going to put the tortillas that are ready for me to fill with cheese. So I'm going to add some non-stick cooking spray. I'm going to get my spatula. Get my tortilla. I'm going to dip it in there. Cover it in this beautiful red sauce. And we're going to drop it in there. I say you leave it on each side for about 20 seconds, basically until the top part starts to dry, and then you want to flip it. So let's give it a little while. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi. Okay, I think that was 20 seconds, and now we're flipping it. You just want to make sure, you guys, it's really warm, so when you roll it, it doesn't break, because then if it breaks, you're not going to have an enchilada, you're going to have chilaquiles, and that's not what we're going for, alright? Then, take it out, put it on the plate, and you just keep on doing this until you have all your tortillas ready. And the plate, you guys, obviously to store them as you make them, and then to help them cool down, because you do not want to roll these when they're steaming hot, because it hurts your fingers. Alright, so I'll see you guys when I have all my tortillas ready and I'm ready to stuff them with cheese. Alright you guys, so my tortillas are done, and you guys, I know I said wait 20 seconds to flip the tortilla, and I said that twice. I don't know why I said that twice, but don't do that. It's only 5 seconds. 5 seconds on one side, 5 seconds on the next, and you take it out of the skillet. I'm sorry, but don't leave it there for 20 seconds because it's gonna stick to the skillet, okay? Okay, now that we corrected that error, let's move on. So we're gonna grab our tortilla, we're gonna add cheese in the middle, and then we're gonna roll it. Very, very, very easy, you guys. These are like one of the most simple enchiladas ever. We're gonna get our next tortilla, and I'm gonna do the same. And then our next tortilla, and you basically do the same thing until you're done with your tortillas. Alright, so my plate is full. So what I'm gonna do, you guys, is I'm gonna put these back on the skillet at low heat. Oh, you guys, when I was frying the tortilla in the skillet, after dipping it in the sauce, I had my heat at medium low. Okay? Okay, so now I'm gonna put the enchiladas back on the skillet at medium low heat so the cheese can melt, and then we'll be ready to enjoy these. Oh yeah. Alright you guys, so let's add our enchiladas with the cheese in it. Careful that the cheese doesn't roll out, because it does that sometimes. There we go. Oops. No biggie. Alright, so at low heat, you guys, we're going to go ahead and let these melt, and then we'll be ready to enjoy them. Alright you guys, here are enchiladas. They're ready to be enjoyed and devoured by hungry people. I went ahead and added some sour cream and added some more cheese on top. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you click subscribe and like if you wish, of course. And I'll see you guys next week on my next recipe. Bye guys.